Hey folks, so I've got my hands on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I purchased this, I'm not on DJI's Christmas list. I'm excited however to get this unboxed, see what we get, and I'm going to share that with you. So if you already have the Pocket 2 and are thinking of upgrading, then the Pocket 3 does improve in a number of areas. First of all, it has a much better sensor, a full 1-inch sensor here, which should perform better in lower light conditions. The touchscreen is 2 inches compared to the 1 inch from the Osmo Pocket 2, so double the size, and it can be rotated horizontally to vertically. Slow motion recording at 120 frames per second is now available in full 4K resolution, and I'm generally expecting just overall better image quality. Now, as you can see, I did purchase the Creator Bundle, the Creator Combo Pack, which comes with a bunch of additional accessories as well, which we'll go into. And I like the way that opens up, actually. So let's take out the camera itself, which, of course, this feels super, super premium. You can definitely tell that this is a DJI product. The main feature that separates the Osmo Pocket series from, say, the action cameras is the fact that this has the full 3-axis gimbal, which does take a little bit of getting used to, especially if you want to make the most of this, but once you do, the difference is night and day. This is going to be absolutely fantastic for the vloggers out there, but for me, the main purpose of getting this camera is for shooting B-roll footage. And let's take a look at that screen. And it's just turned on automatically, as you can see. Very easy to reorient into the horizontal position there. On the bottom, we have the control stick, which also serves as a mode button, and we have the record button as well. There is a slot for your SD card, which isn't included, so you'll have to supply your own. And then we have the USB slot on the bottom. Okay, we have the battery handle here, so this slots into the bottom of the camera. There is a USB pass-through port on the side, and on the bottom here, we have the standard camera tripod mounting. But the great thing is that this will also serve as a hub, and it will keep your camera charged whilst you are using it. In order to attach it, it just slots into place on the bottom there and all clicks in, so it is nicely secured. You can see the camera is now charging, and if you want to remove the battery handle, there's a button there, just hold that in and then it will disconnect very quickly. Now, something I'm really excited to test out is this DJI Mic transmitter. So yes, this just hooks onto you, and then you get fantastic DJI Mic Quality audio. Obviously a wireless connection between this transmitter and the receiver, which is inbuilt into the Osmo 3 itself. Next up, we have the mounting option. So this is, again, part of the combo pack. And yeah, it's like a little mini tripod. Really easy to connect there. And if you don't want to use the main battery handle, then we have this kind of mini version. Again, it has the USB-C pass-through and the mounting option on the bottom. Elsewhere, we have the charging and data cable. We have the windshield for the transmitter if you want to use that external wireless mic. And we have this replacement lens as well. Now, I'm going to keep this one sealed until when I need it to prevent it getting any fingerprints on it. And finally, in the box, there is a nice hard case. So this is really important. This will keep the camera and in particular the gimbal protected when you are not using it. There is also some space inside for the additional wide angle lens and also a filter too. If we just push that inside, and you can still have your tripod or battery handle connected on here. It's not going to be interfered with by the case. And folks, there we have it, the complete unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Thanks for watching.